Hello everyone, welcome back to RoutineHub. This is the Shortcut Roundup 5. I'm back for another big one here. We have some really cool ones this week to show you guys. If we jump right into it, first one we're going to be looking at is called the AI Store. This is from a post on our blog. We did feature this shortcut developed by __MIKL__. So if we go back here, we'll see the r/shortcuts post where we did first find it. And they did post it to RoutineHub, so we'll go ahead and check this out on RoutineHub. And here we go, AI Store. It starts surfing the world of shortcuts with AI. So as far as I understand it, this is a shortcut that once you run it, it will pull up various different shortcuts that are AI based. It then gives you their version, authors, number of downloads in a convenient kind of store format. Let's go ahead and press Get Shortcut. Add it to our gallery. And as you can see there, it's ready to go. So go ahead and click it, run it. So as you see there, one of the prerequisites is that you do have to open up the shortcut settings, go click onto advanced, and you have to make sure you press allow sharing large amounts of data. As you can see there, mine was already done. So go back here, run it once more, and it says, welcome to the AI Store. And here's the main kind of menu. So it says, welcome to the AI Store. See all projects available in the AI Store. Select the type of AI and see the available projects. Check the status for AI servers, exit. Let's go and press the first one here. Very cool. As you can see here, it shows you page 1 out of 6. This is essentially a gallery with AI shortcuts only. So Pro AI, there's a ChatGPT 4 Turbo, Google Gemini AI. Go to the next page. And it just keeps going. So this is super awesome if you're really into AI, especially AI as it pertains to shortcuts. I believe the future of AI with shortcuts, especially with Apple Intelligence and shortcuts, is going to be a game changer. So this is kind of stepping ahead of that and providing you all of the AI related shortcuts that we have currently. As you see here, already really cool stuff. So let's go and click on a different menu item, run the store again. We can check, select type of AI and available projects. Very cool. It gives you a selection for chatbots, AI related to photos, on-device AI. I'm going to do AI related to photos because I want to check those out. Here we go. And this is page 1 out of 2, whereas the other one was 1 out of 6. And I imagine this gallery of shortcuts will just keep going. And really cool work here by, I'm going to exit the store again by __MIKL, updated just the other day. And check out the documentation on RoutineHub. This is beautiful stuff. The V cards. All of this stuff is beautiful. Huge shout out to the developers involved in this and their work that was contributed to support this shortcut. Shout out __MIKL. He has a flurry of 6 shortcuts with over 2,000 downloads, almost at 3,000. Prolific, if you ask me. And that has been another amazing shortcut from our RoutineHub community. Shout out to GionFlow6 on RoutineHub. We will link their stuff and their work in the description. Can't wait to look at more of these with you guys. See you on the next roundup.